Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make the best guacamole. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notification is on. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The ingredients that we will need are, I have 3 avocados on here. Let's smush them. You can use a fork to do that. The next ingredient we will need, I have 2 diced tomatoes in here, have red onion diced, and I have about 3 tablespoons of cilantro. Also, we will need 1 jalapeno and 2 garlics. I have them already diced in here. I did take the seeds out of the jalapeno so it's not too spicy. I have 1 lemon juice. And we will need about ½ teaspoon of salt. And now let's mix it. Let's give it a try. Work. It tastes so good, so delicious, and easy. Let me know if you tried it or not, if you liked it or not. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!